Well, there you go, guys. The lockdown bin has been lit. It's been almost a year. Thought we'd have a little play. Hotspot. Yeah, that's flammable. Ready? I'll stand behind the camera where it's nice and safe. Never go back to a lit firework. The lockdown bin. Where nothing happens. Whoa! You gotta love it. What was that? A L'Oreal? What about a moose? Moose in the hoose. Make sure that he's the one that got hit. There we go. Still warm. I blew the top off, look. So it hit the side of the drum. I love blowing stuff up. Ready? Remember, never stand in front of a firework. Always stand behind your camera. Hello, lockdown bin. I've missed you. So this is L'Oreal Moose in the hoose. Come on, I'm sure you can do better than that. Never go back to a lit firework. Whoa! That wasn't as good as the other one, was it? Right. Let's try links. It's aluminium. One way of getting the tops off. Bit muddy there. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Excuse me. Can number 3. Do you know, it's been a year since we've done this. I don't think I uploaded the other videos. I think I just enjoyed it on my own. Flipping heck! That was a good one! Okay, what do you want to see next then? What about a nice little impulse? These are all empty cans, by the way. Actually, I just saw that Lynx can in there and it is totally split apart. How about a little impulse? I'm surprised they last that long in there. You wait till that fire gets proper hot and that's gonna boom within seconds. That last one had a nice little bit of flameage as well, didn't it? Yeah! There you go. How about this one? I've got to tell you, this ain't a paid promotion or nothing. This is just like for a bit of fun. So if you don't want me showing the front of the can, who gives a crap? All I'm doing is stripping my scrap down the best way I know how. There we go. Links for men. Apparently it brings the women. They come running when they hear the can blowing up, you know. I think that's how it works. Certainly ain't the smell. Smells like dog poop. Personal opinion, you know. Should have gone live with this. This would have been fun. You could have picked which ones you want to see then. And then I could say, I'll name this can Ali Mac Mechanical, and I'll name this can Snobby Scrap Picker, and I'll name this can, you know, Mixed Mowers, Scotty Daniel, Grass Cutter Palmer, who else? Anybody. Anyone who wants to shout. Everyday Solars, Vandals Vlogs, Old Dog. That wasn't that impulse can, was it? It didn't really do anything. All it's doing is just like, psst. Ah, that was a bit disappointing. Perhaps it was CO2 rather than some sort of accelerant. Well, anyway, I'm risking the side of my head here just to get in the camera shot. Cheers, guys, but I don't think this one's going to go off. And I'm not sticking my head in there to have a look, so see you later.